Sorry.
Excuse me.
Misty, I want to give you. Hello. Misty wants to give me this bag. Misty. Misty.
Oh, she's top one.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello. Hello.
This is good though. Bye. You. This is good. What is it? Is this sugar? This is sugar. My friend, hold on. I want to share something. Hey.
You have nice shoes.
What?
Nice shoes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Small bag, apple tea. Where are you
What?
from?
Africa. What is this?
Blooming jasmine tea. You put one ball in a cup, it opens like a flower. This
Wow.
one. Yeah, smell it.
No.
It smells good.
This is a relaxing tea. Good for sleeping, for citrus.
It smells good though. Wow. This is nice.
Herbal mixing with the dried fruit inside. Very nice. My teas are the best. This. Less. Come.
Sorry.
Mixed green tea.
It's good.
Viagra
How
tea.
much is that?
This is Viagra. You have boyfriend or husband?
Eh?
Do you have boyfriend or husband?
I have.
Give this.
You have power. How much kilo?
Excuse me, he will be crazy about you.
Oh my god.
All positions.
Okay. How much? How much?
This kilo 1,980. Mixed green tea kilo 980. Relax tea 980. Love tea. They are the prices for 1 kilo writing everything.
Wow.
Yeah. All herbal teas.
But it's all good tea.
Of course.
I love them.
Teas are the best.
This one is for man and woman. This one, you see this one? It's for man and woman. So if you need it, it's very expensive. Oh. Just call me. I'll speak. Look at that. Wow.
Bye-bye.
So my friend, you don't give not for small money. It's for big money. But it's very good. I like.
You want small money? How much?
I don't know, but I never budget for that. I can come back. I live in Istanbul.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I live in Osman Bey.
Osman Bey?
Yeah.
What do you do? You work?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I went to buy goods for Viazit Buddha.
Yes.
I buy dresses.
And you
African, I send to Africa. Like
very-
I buy too much gown for women, for Chanta. I buy shop. Bayan.
Bayan.
Yeah.
Well, nice.
Chanta.
So you sell stuff in Africa?
I send Africa.
Cargo.
Cargo, like I see, like this you speak. I show Musteli. They tell me bring how much business I make.
Tell them very expensive.
I speak is expensive, very expensive, but it's very good. Like if I want to buy small, like how much?
For example, this is the kilo price 980. Half kilo 490, 250 grams
This
200.
one kilo.
This is 1980.
So half kilo is how much?
Half kilo is like 940. 250 grams 400 something.
Not small. No problem.
For your husband.